Chuck Jam, Tom Petty, you don't know how it feels. Let me ride with you tonight, I'll take you on a moonlight ride. There was a girl I used to see, she don't give a damn for me. So let me get to the point, let's roll another joint, let's head down the road somewhere, gotta go. You don't know how it feels, you don't know how it feels to be me. People come and people go, some grow young, some grow old. I woke up in between glory and a dream. Let me get to the point, let's roll another joint, turn the radio out, too lost, be fried. You don't know how it feels, fuck, you don't know how it feels to be real. My old man was born to rock, he's still trying to beat the clock. Think of